I am so excited. This week, my Cricut Maker arrived, and I am overwhelmed by how excited I am. Now, before I get started, a lot of you might know what a Cricut is, and then I'm sure you understand why I am as excited as I am. For those of you who don't, it is the world's fanciest pair of scissors. It is a printer for knives. It is like if Edward Scissorhands and Taylor Swift had a baby, because this is about to create my wildest dreams. Okay, terrible jokes are done. So, my Cricut Maker arrived this week, and I am going to be unboxing it because I also got the Cutie crate full of supplies, and I am so thrilled, and I can't wait to share this with you and start making things. Okay, this is a very big box and a very small pair of scissors. Once this is open, I'm never using scissors again. I'm just using the Cricut for everything. Confession, I did used to think that this was called a Cricut because I'd only seen it on Pinterest, and only like maybe two years ago I found out that it's called a Cricut, which makes way more sense, especially because their mascot is literally a tiny cricket insect. It's very cute. Oh my goodness, this is like Christmas and my birthday, except better because I have a Cricut. From just the top of the box, I'm going to tell you what we've got. So included in this box is obviously the machine, and then it comes with the premium fine point blade and the rotary blade, as well as the fine point pen. That gives you the power to cut just about everything, it seems, as far as I can tell. There are some other different tips for the actual machine that are sold separately. Okay, let's see it. Oh my gosh, the hand is stuck. Okay, box one down. One box to go. So it says here that it is the ultimate smart cutting machine, which from what I've seen you can do with this, I believe. This is really like past the parcel of my dreams. So at the top of the box we have this really cute little box, and it says here, materials for your first project. How cute. So it comes with like a kit ready to go. Oh, this is so sweet. It almost feels like a scavenger hunt because it's like got open me first. It's all instructions and materials for making your first project, and it's so sweet. Like, it's all beautifully metallic and embossed, and I am going to get started on that really shortly. Included with the mats in the box, we have the light grip mat as well as the fabric grip mat. I am really excited for the fabric grip mat. So when it comes to the Cricut, you can make so many things. A lot of people use it predominantly for vinyl, so cutting things that will essentially become stickers. But the thing is, it does so much more than that. So you can put vinyl on virtually anything and customize everything you have, which is incredible. But more than that, personally, what I'm really excited for is the prospect of getting a bit weird with this, trying different materials. I know that you can cut felt with the rotary blade, which is included. I know that you can even cut wood with it, like certain veneers and basswood. There's a lot of research I still have to do before I can get to that point, but I'm so excited. So the mat actually is like sticky to the touch, so that when whatever you put on the mat stays there as it goes through the machine, because these mats actually go into the machine, which is very cool. Okay, here it is, my Cricut. As you can see over here, it's got a lovely holder section to actually put your tools and things in, to just keep them all in one place. So it's a really nice piece to kind of stay on a desk, which I think is so great because I can't wait to find a spot on my craft desk to just have it set up as a permanent fixture. One box down, but there's still another one to go. So I also, with this box, received the Cricut Cutie crate, which I'm so excited for because I know that it's filled with loads of amazing supplies to get me started. and to make incredible things. We are so excited for you to get started on your journey with Cricut. Me too. Okay. Woo. There are a lot of exciting things in here. So, starting with the most basic, hopefully. This is the basic tool set. So this includes the spatula, the weeder, the scraper, scissors, and tweezers, which is so exciting. I mean, I think these are the kind of things that are great just to have on a craft desk, but specifically for working with your vinyl, these are so great and I'm really excited to get started with them. Next up, we have the Easy Press Mini, which is a teeny tiny little heat press, and it looks adorable. It's got 3 heat settings and it fits so neatly on a desk, and I'm so excited for it. And it's also great for projects that need a heat transfer but are kind of too small and fiddly for your normal kind of heating. So I see on the side here they have the example of a cap, something that doesn't really fit on like your normal ironing board or heat presses. This is a great option for that. Next up we have this, which is the Ultimate Fine Point Pen Set. This includes an unbelievable number of pens. Okay, so this contains 30 pens, which is unbelievable. So they are 0.4 mil, which if you work in millimeters are really small, but they are just so many colors in here and I'm so excited to see what we can make with them. Next up, despite looking very similar, we have something completely different, which is the Cricut infusible ink pens. So these are amazing. So I haven't used infusible ink before, but I can't wait to, because it seems like such a cool process that actually transfers any ink and cutting and printing you do into the fabric, which is amazing. So anything, instead of having a vinyl that lies on top of fabric, the ink actually goes into it, which is so cool. I don't understand the science, but some very clever people at Cricut do, and I trust them. So this again has an incredible number of colors that I'm so excited to work with. Far more than your standard kind of marker pack. And so these are the heat activated infusible ink markers. Okay, then we have the transfer tape. So this is what you use to transfer your vinyl designs from the cutting mat onto whatever you're putting them on. It kind of like lifts them and puts them down. So that's very cool. I haven't used anything like this before, but I can't wait to, and we're gonna get on that soon. Next we have these, which are the foil transfer sheets. These are 24 sheets of the rose gold color. I can't wait to try these out. I'm not sure I have the tool for this yet, but if I don't, it will have to be one of my later projects, but I have so many other things to make first, so I don't even mind. Next, we have some more infusible ink. So these are the infusible ink transfer sheets in different patterns. It does link you to all the instructions and information about infusible ink, which I'm going to have to go and reread again. But I am so excited for how this looks and works. This is the Mermaid Rainbow Pack, which comes with all these like scale patterns and really beautiful fun colors, and I think those are going to be really exciting to work with. Okay, next up we have, I think what I've got left are kind of the more basic fundamental pieces, which is very exciting. So this is the classic sampler of everyday iron-on. So it is just, this is 3 sheets of just like the classic iron-on that people use for most of their Cricut projects. This is the gold, black, and silver, which I'm very excited for. I think these are going to be great basics to start with, especially for some of my first projects. Next up, we have the 6-pack of permanent vinyl. So it comes with 6 different colors. It comes in parchment, black, white, coffee, gold, and silver, which is really lovely. Just quite a nice, neutral, but versatile pack. And this vinyl is also UV and water resistant, so this can be used on basically anything. And this is what you'd use on your mugs, your coffee cups, anything like that. Next, we have this, which is the holographic vinyl. It is so beautiful. I think you can kind of see the sheen on it. It is absolutely gorgeous. So this comes in 3 colors in this pack. which is opal, blue, and pink. The opal is quite a pink tone already. I already have some ideas for what I want to do with that, but oh, I can't wait. I'm so excited for this one. Finally, right at the bottom of the box, we have 3 cutting mats. So this is the variety pack because different materials need different mats. So as far as I understand, it's to do with the thickness and the weight of the material and how much pressure the machine is putting on it to cut them. This has the light grip, standard grip, and strong grip. These are very exciting because I have so many different projects in my mind already, and I can't wait to see how these work. Thank you so much for watching this video, and let me know if you've heard of Cricuts before, if this is your first time hearing of them, if you have, like me, also wanted one for years, and yeah, I can't wait. This is so exciting, and I can't wait to take you on this weird little journey with me. Bye!